Well, in just the last 2 hours, Roanoke took another step toward putting a blueprint in place to help combat the opioid crisis. City Council just approved a resolution supporting something called the Comprehensive Harm Reduction Program. 10 News reporter Jessica Jewell is live in Roanoke tonight to talk more about that. Jessica.
John, this is a broad program designed to combat addiction in a number of ways. That includes a needle exchange program. It's been a bit controversial in the past, with the police chief initially turning it down months ago, but now it has his approval and city council's. The mobile unit will provide needle disposal and distribution, harm reduction education, testing, and referral to mental health, substance use treatment, medical care, and social services. Research shows programs like this don't increase drug use and can drop the number of discarded syringes. City Council unanimously approved the resolution to move forward with the program this afternoon, but there are some lingering concerns about how many people it can really help.
It's like trying to get everybody into class, you know. If everybody understands the need for education and they want a further education, but there's not enough room in the class for them to come, that's a problem. So I just hope we can keep that in mind as well.
Roanoke would be the fourth locality in Virginia with a program like this, behind Richmond and Smith and Wise counties. With this letter of support from the police chief and city council's approval today, all this program now needs to move forward is approval from the Virginia Department of Health. Live in Roanoke, I'm Jessica Jewell, 10 News, working for you.